Just want the people them to know, say, oh, song here for everybody. Powerful than ever before. Believe in yourself.
Hey, said I'll be going like yesterday, but I'm coming better than before. Experience a lot along the way, of them the things I remember make more. How when me think boy the world of your for. How when me think about Keino.
All right, Keino's dreams of becoming the next sprint star out of Jamaica was interrupted 3 years ago. He met in an accident, leaving him paralyzed. Keino Hewitt is here to tell us how he's turning tragedy into triumph alongside his physical therapist. And I'm going to get this right, Yael.
Yes.
Yael Jagbeer.
Yes.
What a nice day. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Welcome
Good morning.
To
Thank
Smile
you.
Jamaica. First, Keino, I'm sorry what happened, but seems like you're trying to move on here.
Yes.
Yeah?
Well, let's say it's really hard to move on, but I'm making that step. I'm really making that step. Let's say in training and also by learning how to walk again.
Yep. Let me jump in there. Yeah, tell me about that. Where is Keino right now, and what are his options? And he just said trying to walk again.
Right.
I said paralyzed. Does that mean that it is possible that he might actually do that?
Yes. Well, at this point, he is walking with a walker. At his level of injury, which is T12, L1, it takes a lot of time and a lot of physical therapy. All right. So at this point, he's doing very good because we've been doing therapy for 5 months. And he's at the point where he could walk with a walker on a flat surface, on ramps, on grass, and things like that. So that is what we are doing, and we're going to continue to work hard to see as far as he can go with the walking.
As far as you know, with your experience from what you've read, how optimistic should we all be about this?
Well, there's no real guarantee, but we are still, all things are possible with God, right? So we're going to continue working hard towards it. There is someone who walked after 25 years because what happens, it takes a while for the nerves to regenerate and all these things. So it really entails a lot of hard work, dedication, and, time.
The video that we showed, we saw him training
Yes.
almost. That's where you are now.
Yes.
I suspect your upper body must be strong like the world now. What kind of training, apart from just physically doing that, what else do you have to do? You still have to lift weights and
still
stuff,
have to be in the gym, doing gym work. So yeah, in the gym, practice on the field. Well, I want to go in the stadium, but first I would have to get the wheelchair.
Okay.
Yeah.
We were talking before, so this is not just a wheelchair we're talking about. We're talking about a racing wheelchair.
Yeah, he needs a racing wheelchair, which is specific to the sprint racing that he's going to do. Yes, it is.
That is the one we're looking at. So this is like the three-wheeler.
Yes. So what he's using right now is not his chair. He needs a chair that is going to be fitted exactly for him.
Yeah.
So it has to be custom made. So that is a chair that he has been practicing with, but he needs a specific chair for him.
But again, in the video, we saw him in a wheelchair like this. Can this help in training?
Of course, most definitely. However, as he said, so we did the weights. That's going to help with him with the strength. But ideally, he needs to be practicing more in a race chair to prepare for the race.
And I suspect, that, and I'm asking, that the race chair, even the way you sit in it, would be different.
It's different, right? So it's a whole different mechanism. That's some different muscles that you have to really engage to be able to move forward.
How close are we in garnering a wheelchair?
We are trying to do some fundraisers.
What's the cost?
It's $4,000 US. All right, that includes shipping and handling, the customization for the chair, and he needs also a glove, particular gloves for the wheelchair. So yes.
So everything, glove, everything, customization, everything comes up to 4,000 US.
Yes.
Where are we?
Not as close as we'd like to be. All right, we have not really gathered funds, but we're getting persons who are interested in helping. JOA and the Paralympic Association, they are interested and very motivated to help also. So we're just looking for more sponsors and persons to help us to get to this goal because,
Keino, have you given yourself a timeline here, or are you just going to see what's going on? Have you said, I want to be at the Paralympic Games here? What have you, what have you set?
Yes.
What kind of goals have you set yourself?
Well, the goals that I've set is to be the first Jamaican to bring home a gold medal in the 100 meter at the Paralympic Games, coming in the Olympics next year.
Next year?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
So you don't have the chair yet, but you genuinely think you could do this next year?
Yes, by the help of my physio. Yes.
I believe he could do it.
And
Most
you think he
definitely.
could do it?
Most definitely.
Well, that's where you start.
Yeah.
How hard is training for the upper body? How often do you train? How many hours do you do this?
All right, let's say I train from Monday to Friday. Well, it's really hard because it's a lot of back work, and the injury that I have make it a lot hard for me, but I still pull through.
Yeah. Would his training be a part of therapy also?
Most definitely.
What else does he do for you to try to get him apart from just
Physiotherapy, we do aquatic therapy also. We work in the water. And so basically his therapy now is more sports specific.
Sports specific?
Yeah. So it's physiotherapy combined with strength and conditioning, preparing him for this next level of his career.
Does he have a coach different from the physio?
He has a coach, but I tend to train him also because I'm trying to train also. So he has a coach, Mr. Neville Sinclair, and I also assist with his training.
Okay. How can we help? Someone watching this morning and they want to be a part of this, how can we help?
All right, so you can give the number, your mom's number. Okay, they can email me.
We're going to put it up on screen.
No problem.
Keino look at her and go, huh? Why you ask me that? You know, so you know we are talking about. But that will come up on screen. Boy, we're happy to see you. And I know this might not do anything for you, but it could have been worse. So it's
yes, it could have been worse.
Yeah, it's great that you're here.
Yes.
There's the number right there. Great that you're here.
Okay.
And we will pray that it will work out for you, and hopefully you'll come back with the gold medal.
I will.
He will.
You will.
Yep.
That's fantastic. That's fantastic.
Yes.
Good to meet you.
Yes.
Good to see
Thank you for having us.
Thank you for having us.
Can you walk in that thing there?
Most
The
definitely.
physio said that you.
Definitely.
Let's see if we could get a feel-good moment here this morning.
Yes,
See
let's
what could
get
happen.
the
Athlete training for the Paralympics.
something to see.
Has some support here also with Serene Richards, who is in the background. Keino Hewitt, and physical therapist with Keino Yael Jagbeer. Let's go, Keino.
All right, Mommy. I know you're watching. I know everyone at home is watching. Everyone at Mona Rehab is watching. Everyone in the world maybe will be watching.
Yep.
Here I come. This is the first goal. 1, 2. We got this.
Yes, you know. Ooh.
Come through. Go over there.
He can make it, man. He can do it.
Let's go, Keino.
And this is Serene right here. Brilliant. All right, after that, we're going to give you some reasons to try a triathlon. Soon come.